Chapter 1. I love my school. Learning objectives. 1. Learning and appreciating our school. 2. Understanding the importance of the school in a child's life. Off to school, off to school. To read and write and play, to learn new things each day. Here is school, here is school. Pencils and crayons, scissors and glue, erasers and paper and notebooks too. We love our school, we love our school. We write, we sing, we run. Lovely to have such fun. Exercises. Answer the following questions. A. Where do the children go? Answer. The children go to school. B. What do they learn there? Answer. The children learn new things each day. C. Do you like your school? Answer. Yes, I like my school. D. Which activity you like the most? Answer. Now tell your answer. Find their meanings. A. New. Something which has been recently built. B. Lovely. Adorable. C. Fun. Amusing. D. School. A place where children go to learn new things. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. Here is school. Here is school. Pencils and crayons, scissors and glue, erasers and paper and notebooks too. Tick the right options. A. The children are going to the 1. Park. 2. School. 3. Temple. 2. School. B. The children go to school to 1. Read. 2. Write. 3. Both of these. 3. Both of these. The children learn new things. 1. On Monday. 2. On Saturday. 3. Each day. 3. Each day. Match the following. Column A. Read, write, draw. Column B. Words, colors, book. Read, book, write, words, draw, colors. Let's enjoy new learning. Homophones mean two or more words pronounced alike but different in meaning or origin or spelling. For example, the words two and do are homophones. A. I can't wait to receive your letter in the mail or mail. Answer. I can't wait. W-A-I-T. Wait to receive your letter in the M-A-I-L. Mail. B. We ate lots of meal Answer. We ate. A-T-E. Ate. Lots of. M-E-A-L. Meal in dinner. C. We watched an eagle soar through the sky. Answer. We watched an eagle soar S-O-A-R through the sky. D. Tomorrow we're going to the beach. Answer. Tomorrow we're going to the B-E-A-C-H. Beach. E. My uncle always has a good tale to tell. Answer. My uncle always has a good T-A-L-E tale to tell. F. Make sure the brake works on your bike. Answer. Make sure the B-R-A-K-E brake works on your bike. G. What is the sum of 2 plus 27? Answer. What is the SUM sum of 2 plus 27? Communication. Writing skills. Write meaningful sentences using the following verbs. A. Read. B. Write. C. Play. D. Love. E. Sing. Reading skills. My family lives in a house. Our house is very nice. It has 2 bedrooms. We cook and eat in the kitchen. We watch TV in the living room. My favorite room is my bedroom. I like to read books and do my homework in my reading room. A. My family lives in. B. Our house has 2. C. We cook and eat in the. D. We watch TV in the. E. My favorite room is. F. I like to dash and dash in my reading room.